Hi, I'm Andrew Oakley. I am a Mechatronics Engineering Technology student here at Purdue. Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to know how things worked. I used to take apart everything I could, and as I got older, I wanted to know how to make those things and go from there. I decided to come to Purdue Polytechnic Anderson because when I came here for a recruiting event in high school, one of the seniors here, who was my mentor, told me I could run the 3D print lab, and that was an amazing opportunity for me. So I came in and fixed all the equipment that wasn't working, and from there we are now upwards of 20-something machines, and I have 3 students who I've trained to help run the lab with me, and we run it year-round. School projects are made with school material. Student projects, like personal projects, if they bring their own material and the printers are open, you can make what you need. Here at Purdue Polytechnic Anderson, the largest class you can have is roughly 20 students. One of my biggest fears going into college was, how am I going to get the professor's attention if I have a question? I can text and call the professors at 11 o'clock at night. We talk to each other all day, every day of the week. It's amazing. When I came in here as a freshman, Keegan Stewart, who is my trainer, got me the opportunity to come work with him at Red Gold in Elwood, Indiana. They actually paid for my tuition entirely for the 2 years that I worked there, on top of giving me an hourly wage. And now I work at Mancor Industries just down the road here in Anderson. And because of that experience, I will start full-time here in May as the controls and automation engineer, programming FANUC robots that we have here at the school, and I learned in a class. It's a fantastic experience for our students to learn here how to use these robots. For me to get a degree that is world-class reputation, especially from Purdue. As I go into my future as an engineer, I'm not just going to have to be like, well, I don't know if I qualify for this job or not. Everything that I've done at every job I've worked at, I've done here. This is only 20 minutes from my home. Being able to just travel down the road, live at home, and keep the costs down, we're paying a quarter of what main campus pays for our entire year. That's why most of our students end up coming here, is the small class sizes, keeping the costs down, and being able to live at home and save money. We have a budding community around us that wants our students to come work for them. We get emails all the time saying, hey, job offer down the road, why don't you come out and tour? That's an amazing opportunity for our students to walk right out these doors, diploma in hand, right into the parking lot of their first job.